Hi guys, this is Andrew Mansheim speaking, your math instructor for Math 108 Statistics over this winter mini-mester. This is a video that will help you get set up with your homework. It's MyMathLab, an online homework software. Some of you have used it before and some of you haven't, but this will be the most affordable way to access homework for this course. It's the cheapest way. You're definitely welcome to look at other options in terms of getting your homework, but this is probably easiest and definitely it's the most affordable way. And I did want to point out right now that if you are a person that, for whatever reason, if you're repeating the class, if you dropped or you didn't pass, any other reason like that, you do not need to purchase this again. So you just need to opt out. Now, you do need to opt out by the 18th. December 18th, and that's this Tuesday. So this Tuesday by 11:59, you'll need to opt out if you are not wanting to pay for this, and that's only applying to people that have taken this class and are repeating. Okay, so what you'll need to do is find your Math 108 course in Canvas, and there's a courses option here on the left, and a lot of you are familiar with Canvas. And on the Home tab, go down to the bottom here where it says Red Shelf eBooks and click on that. And what's going to happen is it's going to show some of my other courses here, so you can ignore those. It should only show just your course here, Math 108, Section 14W, Winter 2018. Although this class is kind of being grouped with Spring 2019. Anyway, you'll click on View Course Materials. Now I'm looking at this from the instructor side of things. If you watch my cursor here, where it says access the course material limited to students only, there will be a code here that you need to copy and paste. I don't see it on my end because I'm not a student in the class, but you're going to copy and paste that code. And you go down to the bottom left where it says My Lab and Mastering, and you're going to click on this yellow Open My Lab and Mastering tab. Now again, since on the instructor side, it's going to take me into MyMathLab. But for you guys, when you click on that, it's going to ask you to first create a username and password. Pretty standard when you set up a new account for something. And then it's going to ask you for that code you copied. So once you paste that code into the space provided, then you're registered. Just click OK. And what will happen is your account will be billed. It's less than $100. It's the cheapest way to do this. Again, if you want to explore other ways of purchasing the software, you're more than welcome to. So that's how you get into the homework. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can message me, and I will help you out. But that's it for now. Thank you.